Clear this section before the next shipment arrives.
See the peel color here. It's exactly what we need.
Yes, and the size is uniform. We can approve this bunch for the harvest.
This section before the next shipment arrives.
A massive undertaking, this convoy navigates the scenic coastal highway, carrying thousands of tons of fresh green bananas destined for the manufacturing facility. At the heart of this massive operation, refrigerated trucks deliver thousands of green bananas, where AI-driven logistics...
Next one coming over. Okay, got it.
Okay, got it.
Surrounded by stainless steel spray bars, the crystal clear water flows continuously, gently removing any residue. Here the bananas enter the long bubble washing tank. Thousands of fine air bubbles lift impurities, while crystal clear... Once graded, the bananas enter this enormous production hall, where AI cameras and robotic arms ensure perfect, high-speed peeling.
Laser alignment ensures identical cutting angles, resulting in perfectly consistent banana chips every time.
Here, the banana slices travel beneath multiple stainless steel spray bars, where purified water rinses away the surface starch. Powerful food-grade air knives blow controlled sheets of filtered air across both sides of the banana slices, removing surface moisture before frying. The stainless steel mesh conveyor slowly lifts the freshly fried golden banana chips. Excess oil immediately drains back into the fryer through the fine mesh beneath the chips. Multiple automated seasoning lines operate simultaneously, precisely measuring different blends like sea salt, sweet caramel, and spicy chili in the Hirkelnates. This facility processes thousands of kilograms of banana chips hourly, with AI systems ensuring a The journey of the golden banana chip culminates here, where robotic precision ensures every bag is perfectly weighed and flushed with nitrogen. ratchetings. This massive stainless steel multi-head weigher rapidly calculates the exact weight of every package. Dozens of buckets
After filling, every package receives a burst of food-grade nitrogen gas to remove oxygen. The WMS coordinates every shipment, ensuring precision logistics and seamless cold chain management. Across scenic bridges and bustling cities, this convoy delivers thousands of freshly packaged banana chips nationwide.
I'm telling you, these are the best chips I've ever had.
You say that every time we come over. But he's right, they really are incredible.